The stock market. Many are familiar with it. However, the changing nature of the stock market leaves many would-be investors at a standstill. Now, when prices for things fluctuate as the wind, almost unpredictable, life has changed. However, gold has been on a steady decline due to the current economic climate. Investing in gold would not be wise as of today, simply because of the market rate value drop. Silver also has taken a huge dive as well, prices constantly dropping. This has left room for Bitcoin to fill the void. Prices for cryptocurrency are ever changing, however, still higher than the current currencies, due to the emphatic nature of the transfer of the currency and how it's moved from one place to another. Its value is, without question, and on the rise. Statistics say that it may soon be the sole currency, as its nature is very well defined and easily to transport and easy to protect, much safer than other cash-based currencies. Bitcoin is beating out the dollar simply by being so readily available. The euro, however, has taken a sharp dive due to the economic nature of the current situation. Life has changed. Euro is not holding its value particularly well. However, that may change, but as of right now, the greenback is the world's #1 currency, a value steadily on the rise. Each investment must be made wisely. The greenback has been the world currency for a century, I believe, and this is currently not looking like it's going to change. However, the best investment may actually be toilet paper. Its value has exponentially grown. It cannot be made fast enough. It's as if the world has simply shifted, and shipping yards are filled with toilet paper and paper towels. Nothing like this has ever been seen before. However, with investing, things are of an unsteady nature. One must be wise, but as far as right now, it would be a very wise investment. So, everyone, I encourage you to make your decisions well. Wealth can be attained even in the current global crisis. Thank you all for your time.